Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comments not showing. In order to fix this issue, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing you'll need to do in order to solve this issue is restarting your TikTok application. If the TikTok app is running in your background, close it first, and after you do that, go to the Settings button from your phone. Go to Apps from Settings. Under the app list, search for TikTok. Once you find the app, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right and tap on OK from the pop-up. The next thing you can try out is check your internet connection. Sometimes if your internet is not working pretty well, you can have this kind of an issue. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection and you are good to go. Once you have it, tap open the TikTok application and see if it works. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then you can try updating your TikTok application. Go to your Play Store and search for TikTok in the search box. If your app is not up to date, you'll be able to see the update option popping out. Tap on update and install the latest updates for your TikTok. Another thing you can go and check is that if you have turned on the privacy settings for commenting, go to your TikTok application, and once you're in your home screen, tap on the Me button at the bottom right. Once you do that, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From this page, under Account, tap on Privacy. After that, scroll all the way down and under Safety, tap on Who Can Comment on Your Videos. From this page, tap on Under Who Can Comment on Your Videos, ensure that either everyone or friends are checked. Then go back and tap on Comment Filters. Temporarily switch off the first two filters, that are Filter All Comments and Filter Spam and Offensive Comments. Sometimes the problem might be that your TikTok comments are not showing up because of this restrictive privacy settings that are preventing your followers' comments from posting. Well, those were some of the fixes that you can try out whenever you are trying to fix TikTok commenting not working or showing. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.